Hi, today we are going to learn about counting on and across 100. Counting means finding how many there are. Let's count the number of candles on the cake. There are 5 candles on the cake. Counting can be done in two ways, forwards or backwards. Counting forward means counting on. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we count on in ones, we add 1 at every step. Counting backwards, it means counting down. When we count down in ones, we take away 1 at every step. For example, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counting can be done with the help of different diagrams. First one is 10 frames. As you can see this here, there are 10 yellow balls, which makes one 10 frame. Let's find out the numbers shown by the 10 frames. As you can see this here, first frame is equal to 10, second is equal to 10, and the third one is equal to 6. So the number is 10 added to 10 added to 6, which gives you 26. Next is base 10 blocks. Let's find out the number shown by the 10 frames. Here the number is 10 added to 10 added to 1 added to 1 added to 1, which gives us 23. Next is counters. The number shown by the counter is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So the total of it will come out to be 55. Now let's try a question. What is the next number in the given sequence? 53, 54, 55, 56 and blank. As per the sequence, we are counting on in ones. So 53 plus 1 is equal to 54. 54 plus 1 is equal to 55. 55 plus 1 is equal to 56. Similarly, 56 plus 1 is equal to 57. So the missing number is 57.